Speed in cash advance apps like Earnin and Klover depends less on the app name, and more on how fast your bank processes transfers, and whether you qualify for instant payout options. By the end of this, you'll know how each app delivers money, what actually makes one faster than the other, and where delays usually come from. Start with Earnin. Earnin is built around earned wage access, which means it pulls information from your paycheck and lets you withdraw based on hours you've already worked. Speed depends on whether you use standard delivery or instant cash out. Standard transfers usually take longer because they go through normal bank processing. Now look at Klover. Klover also offers cash advances based on income patterns, but it leans heavily on instant-style transfers for eligible users. That means some users can get funds faster depending on account activity and eligibility status. Next, compare the transfer systems. Both apps rely on bank connections in the background, so neither one moves money completely outside the banking system. That means your bank still plays a major role in how fast the money arrives. Now check instant eligibility. Earnin offers faster payout options for users who meet certain account and paycheck requirements. Klover can also unlock faster access depending on how your account data looks over time. Next, look at account history. Older, more active accounts usually process faster because the system has more financial data to verify stability. New accounts often experience slower processing on both apps. Now, consider bank compatibility. Some banks process external transfers faster than others, which directly affects how quickly both Earnin and Klover deposits arrive. Next, check verification status. Fully verified accounts usually move through payout steps faster than accounts still completing identity checks. Now look at timing. Transfers started during banking hours typically move faster than those started late at night, or on weekends when banks are not actively processing. Next, compare typical experience. Earnin is often more consistent for paycheck-based speed, since it is tied directly to work hours and payroll data. Klover can feel faster for some users when instant options are unlocked, but that depends heavily on eligibility and account behavior. Neither app guarantees instant delivery for every user. To sum it up, Earnin is usually more predictable because it's tied to payroll timing, while Klover can be faster for eligible users with instant access enabled. Next, always check whether instant cash out is available before assuming either app will deliver money immediately. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more cash advance comparisons, payment speed breakdowns, and finance app explanations.